You guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. We got a brand new episode. We got a brand new surprise here. Got some things for the Camaro. And she's right there. And I have puppies, so don't mind that. But look at this. Next to my dad's SUV here, and she looks killer. I'm telling you guys, I've never been so happy with this car. Even with it being on springs, I think it looks phenomenal. Now, with that being said, the things that I got the car are actually really nice, and they're gonna be for the performance aspect of the car. Now, one is going to give this car that extra bit of sauce that it needs, and that's gonna be the flex fuel kit from GM for the Camaro. Now, I got a really good deal on this. There was a guy here like about 30 minutes away from me who wasn't really wanting. Picked up the flex fuel from a guy here about 30 minutes away from me. So he ended up getting a 2019 Camaro. He picked up a manifold, an intake manifold, and so on and so forth. He ended up not using anything. And what ended up happening is that he posted it for sale. And when I went to go see it and I bought it, and here are the two kits. I got a Moshimoto oil catch can and the flex fuel from GM. So as you guys can see, I got the genuine GM. This is gonna be I believe the sensor, the harness, and everything that connects to the car, and the line right here for the fuel. And I don't know what this is, but I know it has something to do with that. And this is the oil catch can. So the catch can right here. We got the fittings. I believe these are the ones that go in here. Then we got the bracket where the can sits, as well as the two hoses for the oil for the in and the out, as well as some clamps. So everything is brand new, and I got a killer deal for everything. Now, I'm not gonna be here stating how much I got it for, obviously, but this car is gonna be a different beast after everything's done. Now, as you guys see, it is very filthy. I ended up driving it yesterday, and it poured rain yesterday, which is very unfortunate on my behalf because I washed this thing about a week ago and I haven't driven it. And the day that I do drive it, it starts pouring. So, I mean, I can't really do anything about it, but we are gonna get you guys some more clips of the car. The exhaust completely transformed this car. It is very loud. The exhaust has been settling in, and it is very loud, and I'm very happy about that actually. So we're gonna get some more clips. I'm gonna get the GoPro on my head. I'm gonna have to find my the strap that goes around your, yeah, I'm not gonna say that, sounds kind of wrong, but anyways, we're gonna get some clips of this car, and it should be fun, you guys. We come in here, we start this bad boy up. Awesome. Okay. Now, yes, I know I look pretty funny with the GoPro on my head, but this is what I have to do to get you guys a nice POV of what it is to be driving this thing, especially with that brand new exhaust. Now, going back to what I was saying, you guys, about the whole flex fuel thing, I am going to have to find a tuner here close to Sacramento or the Bay Area. So if you guys know and are watching my video, please leave a comment or DM me on Instagram at Shadow. It's exactly the same thing as my car, except it's on Instagram. Or, I'm sorry, not my car, but the same thing or the same user as my YouTube channel, except it would be on Instagram. So the same Shadow XO, but on Instagram. All right, there we go, boys. you guys, get you guys some nice POV. That's 15 miles, 30 miles. This thing is loud, like I mean loud. I can't imagine how good a ZL1 would sound, because I've heard that ZL1s with an exhaust are way louder than a standard SS. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that, but that's what I've heard.